terrible storm! Wind is too strong! Hold on to the metal rail!
The yacht is shaking! I cannot stand up!
Stay together! Do not move! The engine is dead! We have no power!
The boat is moving too much! I feel sick! Oh no! Sam is vomiting! Breathe slowly, Sam! I will call for help!
Oh no! My phone fell in the water!
We cannot call anyone! Dad, we are sinking!
We must leave the yacht now!
Put on your life jacket, Sam! Hurry! Max has his life jacket too! Good boy, Max!
The yellow raft is ready! Jump in!
The wind is pushing me! I am scared!
It is completely dark! I am freezing! We are lost in the ocean. No one knows where we are.
Look at Max! He is smelling the air!
He is barking at the dark. What is it, Max?
Oh, the raft stopped! We hit something!
It is sand! We are on a beach!
Good morning. The storm is over.
The sun is warm, but my stomach is completely empty. I am hungry. Where are we, Dad? I do not see any houses or people.
We are on a wild island. We are completely alone.
We lost our yacht. We have no phone. What do we do?
We are safe, and we are together. We must survive.
Look at Max! He found a big green fruit!
It is a coconut. We have water. Our new adventure begins today.
Did you hear that? Someone is watching us from the trees!
Mom, my stomach. I feel dizzy again.
Please, help us! My son is very sick!
Do not be afraid. My village can heal him. Follow me.
Wow, look at their beautiful houses! And so much delicious fruit!
Drink this leaf tea, little one. The jungle gives us life.
It tastes strange, but the pain is gone. Thank you.
Max is barking at the ocean! Look, a rescue boat!
Thank you for saving our family. We will never forget your kindness.
The ocean brought you here, and now it takes you home. Goodbye, friends.